Hi everyone, welcome to M5 Office Lab. So here's what happened. When I came into work this morning, I noticed the lights in our office has been on all night. And our lights are neither smart bulbs nor connected to any smart switch, which means there's really only one way to turn them off. That is to physically press the wall switch. Since replacing the bulbs isn't an option, and we don't really want to start drilling holes in the wall for wiring, we thought, why not just build our own light-off machine, one that can take care of switching the lights off after work every day. For this project, based on our needs, we use Atom S3 lights, a small but powerful ESP32 core controller, atomic ABC base, an expansion base that breaks out the Atom S3 lights I/O pins, unit TimerPWR, a timed power control module that let us configure exactly when it powers the system, 5 servos, and 1 LiPo battery. The Atom S3 light is the brain of our light-off machine. It schedules the TimerPWR module and controls the servos. Through the atomic ABC base, the Atom S3 light can drive multiple servos, which let the light switch on and off. The unit TimerPWR is key to making this device last for a long time on battery. The Atom S3 light tells it when to wake up according to our lighting schedule. After each switching action, the TimerPWR cuts the power and only restores it when it's time for the next task. This shutdown to wake up cycle keeps the power consumption as low as possible. We also connected to M5 Stack EzData Cloud Service. This lets us set up an entire week's schedule remotely. Every time the device wakes, it syncs the latest schedule from the cloud, executes it, and reports its battery status. So based on our actual needs with design, modeled, and 3D printed a custom device, it has to meet several requirements. First, it needs to let the servo switch the light both on and off. Second, in our office, the switches are mounted side by side, so the device could not be mounted on the left or right. It has to be mounted from above or below. And the trickiest part is it must never interfere with manual operation. And of course, it has to fit the exact dimensions of our switch panel and mount securely to the wall. Here's what we came up with. After multiple design iterations, we finally had a working mechanism with 2 main parts. A sliding push rod that moves back and forth. This servo pushes the rod, then it retracts to its default position, leaving a gap so your finger won't hit the servo during manual use. At the end of the push rod is a small pivot arm with a plastic tab stuck onto the light switch. This enables push-pull motion to turn lights on and off. This way, we achieved full automation without affecting the original manual control at all. We made a total of 5 of these. Here's the workflow. Set the schedule in our web config page. We schedule tasks for the week. For example, turn the lights on 10 minutes before the work starts. Turn them off automatically at lunch break. Turn them back on after lunch. Once saved, the light-off machine will sync the schedule on its next wake up. When it's time, the unit TimerPWR powers up the Atom S3 lights. The system connects to Wi-Fi and fetches the latest instruction. The Atom S3 light drives the servos according to the schedule. Click, the light turns off. After the action, the system updates the TimerPWR with the next wake-up time, powers down, and waits for the next cycle. And that's the light-off machine. Just some components, some code, and a custom mount to make a regular light switch smart. We've open sourced the 3D models and code for this project. You'll find the link for the GitHub down below. Feel free to give it a try yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, a comment, or share with your friend. And this is the M5 Office Lab. We have one little project every month, so I'll see you next time. Bye!